The title of my talk is Toward Design of Robotic Companion, and the plan, the outline of the presentation is like the following. So first, I'm going to define, that's a very well-known stuff, robot and robotics, then define a social robot and a specific social robot which is called robotic companion. And then we shall concentrate on our design. This is Robot Flash, so I'm going to tell you about the design, control and performance of this robot, and the talk will be illustrated with a number of videos just to entertain you a little bit. So, as we all know very well, a robot is an artificial human, or it is a device, a machine that is able to perform some physical, but not only physical, but also intellectual activities of a human or any living being. And more formally, robotics was defined as an intelligent connection of perception to action. This is a definition that comes from Michael Brady, and usually this connection is accomplished by a computer. So robotics is about intelligent connection of perception to action. And robotics is more or less 50 years old, and I think that at the beginning there was a principle of separation between robots and humans. So, for example, there were some unmanned factories, like this one. This is a car factory without any human around. All the robots were sent far away to a glacier or to the Mars, or were using as demining robots. So humans were kept as far as possible from the robots. But I think since 20 years more or less, things are changing and robots get closer to humans. This first picture was presented already yesterday. You can see the robot now playing with children, and this is a Da Vinci robot for surgery operation. Definitely this robot is very close to a human. Also, this is a rescue robot. And another example, this is a wheelchair designed at the University of Malaga in Spain. All these robots are very close to a human, but the interactions are in one direction. So the robot, there is an interaction between the robot and a human, but there is no mutual interactions. It is the interaction in one direction also. And what more can be expected? What is the next step? This is a social robot. And the social robot